you are going to love the 2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.